Now it's time to modify the symbology. In the case of land use, we change the symbology to categorized and manually add 5 classes. In the value field, we add exactly the same value as we have entered in the drop-down: residential, agricultural, administrative, equipment, and other. It has to be the same for the element to be displayed later. If there is any difference, the program does not correctly identify the class and the element will not be represented on the map. The same values, even with accents, can be added in the legend field. We assign a suitable color to each of the land uses. And select all the rows. With a right click, we choose Change Opacity and we reduce it to 40% and confirm. We do another test, creating land use polygons, and we can see that it is already displayed with the assigned color and transparency. However, if we create another polygon that intersects the previous one, this new polygon overlaps the previous information, something undesirable. To prevent this overlap in the field, we have to enter the project menu and snapping options. In the form, we activate the magnet icon and change to Advanced Configuration. We activate the land use box. We change the tolerance to 2 meters. And above all, we activate the box Avoid Overlap in the last column. We also activate the track box and modify its tolerance to 2 meters and the type to vertex and segment. We finish with the activation of the 2 buttons, snapping on intersection and topological editing, and confirm. If we now draw the polygon as in the previous case, we can see that it no longer overlaps the previous polygon, but that they share the limit and it completes itself. Thus, we can conclude the preparation of the land use layer. Now, we move on to the water layer. Its symbology will also be categorized, and, just as in land use, we assign the same values as in the value map. We modify the shape of the symbol to a blue square and, depending on the class, we change the color and thickness of the outer line. We confirm and create a test item. At the end of the test, it is important to eliminate all the elements created so that later they do not contaminate our field data. Before we forget, we export the background photo to the folder where we keep all the layers and where the project is saved. It is very important that all the layers are in the same folder, since we are going to copy this folder and its linking to the mobile device later. Lastly, we modify the latrine symbol, which will be the single symbol. However, it will be composed of a square and a triangle. Now, we save the project.